Polar Hair Dye Shampoo tutorial. I'm going to tell you how to use it the right way. Okay, first, wet your hair and make sure it's clean before applying. Put on gloves to avoid staining your hands. Then squeezing a good amount of the Polar Hair Dye Shampoo into your palm. Massage it evenly into your hair from roots to tips, just like using a regular shampoo. And make sure every strand is covered. Leave it in for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how vibrant you want the color. Then rinse thoroughly with water until it runs clear. Towel dry your hair, style as you like, and you'll see the color take effect immediately. For best results, avoid washing your hair with harsh shampoos right after, so the color lasts longer.